Amun. Ibn Amun ibek. Df en ek aha iak renput. Di ek aha iretif erta hetep. Mesu petek ankach. Mesu aha ek jed. Mesu irti ek hersesh. Cheper en ek seshemu. Hedge en ek heka emjeret ek. Weret en ek neferu. Sechem em seshemu en charu. Iri ek mesektet en sedru. Heka em depet herchet. Heka per nefer. Iri ek em jesef. Ir ek henchet. Ir ek irp. Tau, iuf, ta hedge. Iri mesu, se shep irp. She me en her ek. Se shmu en ek se hedge se net. Heri shaduf, di en ek se shen. Imi ir shumu, di aped. Hu, di int. Depet ek, hena charu. Heka em neferu. Se shek me en mesu. He met ek waj. Ankach ek weserek. Chet en ek hati. Pe en pajed medu nen cheper. A en pesedjet. Pesedjet at. Iri ek hersen. Per ek hetep. Make glad the heart of Amun in your own heart, that he may lead you to a fine old age. Spend your lifetime in his service until you reach blessedness. Your lips remaining healthy, your limbs strong, your sight far-reaching, your garments fine. You shall guide horses. A staff of gold within your grasp. A chariot newly fitted. A ship of cedar decked from prow to stern. Your mouth filled with wine and beer, with bread and meat, with sweet singing in your presence. Perfume upon you, garlands before you. Fowl offered, fish given. Your ships return from distant lands, laden with splendid things. You shall prosper. Your enemy shall fall. You shall enter the conclave of the 9 great gods, and come forth blessed. This recitation is inspired by In Praise of Amun, preserved in Papyrus Anastasi IV, part of the Schoolboy Miscellanies. The text dates to the New Kingdom of ancient Egypt and reflects themes of divine favor, prosperity, and entrance into the assembly of the gods. The Medu Neter spoken here is a modern ritual transliteration designed for atmospheric and devotional listening. Pronunciation of ancient Egyptian is reconstructed by scholars and may vary.